Do you want to let Gizmo get one? No, you can't take it out of his mouth. Where are they, Josie? Where did they go? Oh, you're smart. You are a smart little cookie. Who got that one? Josie got it. Where is it, Gizmo? Gizmo? Joes! Let Gizmo have some. Gizmo, come here. Gizmo. Where's the other one? You know where it is. Gizmo. Josie got them all. You proud of yourself? You didn't even give any to your baby. All right, time to reload.